right, good morning and welcome to the Mainland Business Cafe on 98.3 Mainland FM, the sound of Lagos. My name once again is 𝗪𝗂𝗁 𝗧𝗵𝗲, your host for this morning's edition. Of course, it is 11:10 a.m. in the city of Lagos Metropolis, and of course today is the 20th day of the 8th month of the 2023 year. As usual, relevant updates from the trading floors of the Nigerian exchange will be provided, and our guest, Mr. Jonathan OKOEKEPEN, an NGX investor, will be here to extensively share his expertise on the proposed theme, which is claiming dividends from the trading floors of the Nigerian exchange. And of course, the telephone lines will be opened to welcome all your burning complaints, inquiries, and requests. Together with our streaming platforms, Facebook and YouTube respectively, will be on for you to get a glimpse of the program and an avenue for you to drop your comments. Please note that updates on the international currencies and Naira exchange rate from our correspondent Kelvin Nwafili will be on your airwaves, so it promises to be loaded with quality information for your financial retention and keen knowledge of the business world. So please stay tuned.
Hey there, how is business? Would you like to advertise with us at Mainland 98.3 FM, where you get to connect with a large base of passionate fans and ardent listeners of our broadcast? We have flexible and highly competitive advert rates to suit your needs by negotiation. Contact us today on 0913 6000 420 0913.
All right, thank you for standing by and staying tuned. This is the Business Report on Mainland Business Cafe, where we keep you updated with concise happenings from the business world and how it affects every other sector of the economy. Now, given the volatile nature of the stock market, trading floors, commodity prices from the respective economies of various countries, it is imperative to note that figures and statistics may vary. Rest assured that here on Mainland Business Cafe, we shall fill you in with relevant updates from the trading floors of the NGX for last Friday, 25th of August 2023. Now, at the end of the last weekday of trading on the Nigerian Stock Exchange, a total of 356,115,589 shares in 6,569 deals, corresponding to a market value of 4,233,536,259 naira.75 kobo were traded. Now, compared to the previous NGX trading day, which was Thursday, August 24th, Friday's data shows a 39% decline in volume, 67% decline in turnover, and 6% decline in deals. The current market capitalization of the NGX is 35.9 trillion naira. Now, in the aggregate, 119 NGX listed equities participated in trading, ending with 31 gainers and 24 losers. The top 5 gainers includes Sky Shelter Fund, leading the gainers with 9.97% share price appreciation, closing at 83 naira.80 kobo per share, followed by National Salt Company with a positive of 9.95%. FTN Cocoa Processors had a positive of 9.94%, and NEM Insurance Company a positive of 9.9%. On the losing side, Prestige Assurance Company came out last with an end-of-day price depreciation of 9.43% at 0.48 kobo per share, followed by Tantalizers with a negative of 9.3%, Amatech Ventures a negative of 9.09%, and Mutual Benefits Assurance with a negative of 8.89%. More importantly, Transcorp Nigeria recorded the highest volume of 76.7 million traded shares, followed by Fidelity Bank with 53 million, Universal Insurance Company with 17.8 million, and FCMB Group with 16.7 million. Please stay tuned, we shall provide you with more updates on the trading floors of the Nigerian exchange for last Friday. Once again, this is 98.3 Mainland FM, the sound of Lagos, and of course you're tuned into Mainland Business Cafe, transmitting live from the studios. My name once again is 𝗪𝗂𝗁 𝗧𝗵𝗲. Please stay tuned.
conversations.
Great to see you again. It's good weather. You want to agree with that?
Yeah, I love weather. Trending music.
I live the life that I love. I love the life that I live. Tomorrow.
Traffic updates.
Ojaoba and Charity intersections is good. There's no cause for alarm.
Sports. And everything fun is right here on Mainland 98.3 FM. Don't touch that dial.
All right, thank you for standing by. 16 minutes gone past the hour of 11 a.m. in the city of Lagos Metropolis. And of course, transmitting live from the studios of 98.3 Mainland FM. This is Business Cafe on your airways. We have our guest join us via telephone. He goes by the name Mr. Jonathan OKOEKEPEN, who is an NGX investor. Good morning, Mr. Jonathan.
Good morning, Lou.
Yes, sir. It's good to have you on the program this morning.
Yeah.
How was your weekend? Beautiful. We're happy to hear that. You're live on the radio, sir. Okay. All right. So without further ado, let's get down to the business for this morning. Yes. So we've already intimated you on the topic for this morning, which is claiming dividends from the trading floors of the Nigerian exchange. Of course, you are here to provide us with proper knowledge. And of course, we have our beautiful listeners who are currently tuned in at this very moment, and they have their burning complaints, inquiries, and requests. And we believe that you will furnish us with all relevant details concerning the topic. Hello, sir.
Yes, I'm available.
Okay, beautiful. Okay, so sir, very quickly, can you just briefly tell us the benefits or the necessity of investing in stocks or the stock market?
Well, it's the benefit of investing in Nigerian stock exchange.
Yes.
You win per person.
Okay.
And considering your age.
Okay.
Now, if you are young and you are maybe 18 and above, which is the minimum age that you can trade on the stock exchange.
Okay.
You know the debate for growth. You want to grow your money.
Okay.
But if you are in your 50s, you are close to retirement.
Okay.
What you want to do is to preserve your money on the stock exchange. So on both ends, the benefits will be different.
Okay.
Because the younger people are risk averse, they want to take more risk and do more things.
Okay.
But because of the old people are old, they are not going to be taking risks like before.
Okay.
They want to invest in things that they are sure. This is why most of them go to bond market, they go to the money market where the interest is huge.
It's huge.
The interest is huge, and they know what they are expecting. But for the younger generation, we can do more, of course. We can do more. We can throw away money, and like I tell the younger people, if you start early, whatever money you are going to lose, it's like your school fees.
Okay.
If any money you lost in the stock market, there is always a reason why you lost that money. There's always a reason.
That's
so
true.
if you have your goals set and you have your plans set out for joining the stock market, your planning and your goals for joining the stock market is for you to buy and sell. It's not for you to buy and keep.
Okay, but exactly. Okay.
It's for you to buy and sell. That's why it's called stock market.
Stock market.
When you buy a goods and you lock it up in your warehouse, over time it will expire.
Definitely.
Over time you will run at a loss. The lessons we are told the points we were given when we were growing up was to buy and keep. Those were from our fathers and forefathers. But now it is no longer the same.
Okay.
To buy and sell. At the point of entering into the stock market, recognize the price at which you enter.
Beautiful.
At that same point, determine the price at which you are exiting, because you are not the owner of the company. You are not. Your father is not the owner of the company.
Precisely.
And in the stock exchange, market goes up and comes down.
It's very fluid. It's
you want to make sure that when market is up, you claim your gain as much as possible. And when it is down, you minimize your loss.
Okay.
When the market is down, you minimize your loss. When it's up, take your gain. Don't die with any company, because there are many companies that have left the stock market exchange with investors' money But thank God for the SOC and the other regulatory body that are making sure that when any market is the same, we don't go customers money. The case in point is 𝗵𝗲 that just left.
Okay.
𝗵𝗲 left, and in 2 days time we got our money. And if you know that you are not getting your money from 𝗵𝗲, if an investor, all your registrars and claim your money.
Beautiful.
So now I will not go into the benefits. There are many benefits for joining the stock market for all ages.
Okay.
Many benefits.
All right.
Stock market is where you can plan your financial future.
Beautiful.
Stock market is where you plan your financial future. Now, stock market afford the ability and the chance for you to actually invest in the stock market rather than keeping your money in the bank, where it doesn't generate
any interest. Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
Thank God for the mobile apps that are coming up now.
Yes.
They're beating the traditional bank in Nigeria when it comes to your return or your savings in the bank. So instead of keeping your money in the bank, you invest it in the stock market.
Okay.
And by investing it in the stock market, and if you know what you are doing, you're taking things, you are going with that way.
Okay.
Number 2 is that you can use your stock market portfolio to a part of the travel document.
Okay.
You know when you are traveling, and they ask you for some accounts.
Oh, okay, yes. Like statements of account.
Yes, the money that came and gone out of your account.
Okay.
To be sure, you go and come back. Even though many people are Japan now, I don't know what they do. But these are part of the things you can do as your travel document. And when they see it and they see that you are invested in Nigeria, they know that you don't just want to leave and trade with that investment.
Precisely.
That's one of the benefits. Another benefit is that for entrepreneurs and business people who don't have patience, who they don't pay pressure, stock market is where you can come and be saving on a regular basis towards your future and your retirement. So you as a business owner or as an entrepreneur, you can start paying yourself pension. You don't need to join a big conglomerate to start paying yourself pension.
Yes.
And you can save it in the stock market and make sure that you monitor your market.
Yes. Wow.
The stock market is also a saving. It's also a saving fund where you save the target sale for a project that is coming up in the next 2-3 years, and there are stocks you can buy that you are sure that in the next 2-3-5 years their stock will always be going up. At this point, you will need a stockbroker or you need an expert in the stock market.
Yes, to guide
that can tell you exactly where you can use it. Because stock market is not just where you go. It's not a gamble.
It's not.
Because when you tell us that you go to stock market to gamble, no. You don't go to stock market to gamble. You actually go there to plan your future and to plan your finances.
Okay.
For the rainy day.
Beautiful.
And if you check all over the world, you can go and do this check, have their money in the stock market of their country. It's either they are going there to raise money for their company, or they are going there to raise money and to invest in other people's company. They are either of these 2 categories.
Okay.
So if you enjoy the billionaires club, stock market is where to go.
Beautiful.
And these are the people that can go at this level.
Wow. Thank you very much, Mr. Jonathan. That was very extensive and very, very didactic. I must even, in addendum to what you've already said, I would just like to point out that concerning planning your future with your finances, instead of waiting till the age of 50 before you can access your pension, like a lot of us now, that we have to wait until the age of 50 before we can access all the monies that we've been saving from the respective employers that we have worked with. It is very imperative for us to even plan our future in the stock market. Okay, so very quickly, sir, I have a correspondent here with me in the studio who has a question for you, and then hopefully we'll open the phone lines as the program progresses for our listeners to also flood us with questions. But before that, please note that we are currently streaming on Facebook at Mainland 98.3 FM. Is our official Facebook page. You can join the conversation, and you can even drop your comments in our comment section, and then we'll open the phone lines momentarily for you to call us and ask Mr. Jonathan, the professional here, concerning the stock market. But before then, our correspondent Kelvin Nwafili has a question for you, sir. Please hold.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Jonathan. My name is Kelvin.
Good morning.
Yes, one of the correspondents for Business Cafe. My question goes to us. In recent times, we have witnessed the influx of coins, which is parentally called Bitcoins.
The line is not so clear. I can't hear you clearly.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that.
Can you hear me?
Can
now?
you hear him now?
Yeah, you can speak now. Let me hear.
All right.
Okay.
So I said in recent times we have witnessed the influx of different coins, which is known as Bitcoin. And so, what is the relationship with Bitcoins and of course the Nigerian Stock Exchange? And what does the future hold for, in terms of securing one's finance if we delve into either these Bitcoins or the Nigerian Stock Exchange?
I want to know the relationship between the Nigerian Stock Exchange and the cryptocurrency.
Beautiful.
Yes,
Bitcoin. Yes, that's the question, sir.
Okay. Yeah, for me, I'm not sure there is any relationship between the Nigerian Stock Exchange and then the cryptocurrency and whatever is going on. We realize that there was a time the government, I can't even remember how it came out to be, where they were trying to discourage people from going into cryptocurrency and that we get a legal tender in Nigeria. And as much as possible, I want to advise people that wherever the federal government of the country you are in is very support, don't go into it, because every moment you listen to it, you run at a loss. As far as I'm concerned, I don't have any investment in cryptocurrency because I'm carefully at my money. I don't invest in anything that doesn't have a face, where they don't have an address company, and nowhere to see the people behind whatever is going on. So for cryptocurrency, they don't have any business with stock market now. They don't have any business, and anybody who is going to it, I think is on your way. As far as Nigeria is concerned, and as far as the Nigerian Stock Exchange is concerned. But I know that many people have come and they are making money through it. But many people have come to come and encourage me to invest into it, and I keep telling them that I don't invest in what I don't understand. They try to explain to me how they make money there, people can get it. But when it comes to the stock market, it will wake me up at any time. Even if I'm broke, I can tell you what to do in the stock market to make money. I can tell you where not to go to. I can tell you stock not to touch. I can tell you where, if you give me your target, what you target for the year, what you want to realize in your investment, I can tell you what to.
You have 1 minute remaining in your.
Okay, we're sorry about that. We'll just take a quick breather and then we'll be right back to bring Mr. Jonathan on the line. Once again, this is Mainland 98.3 FM, and of course you're tuning to Mainland Business Cafe with your regular anchor 𝗪𝗪. Please stay tuned.
Lagos, the center of excellence, the second most populous state in Nigeria, with over 12 million people and a territorial land area of 351,861 hectares. The state's
I beg, no stress us, we could get down to business.
Mainland 98.3 FM.
This is no imaginary world,
where the rhythm of the city comes alive.
Somebody sexy, tell them, hey, give me everything tonight.
Electricity, vibe on a different beat, till infinity. Steady on a different beat.
Tune in for the latest news, entertainment, and more.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we welcome our Industry Merit Award winner, the incomparable Patience Ozoko.
With our talented voices, keeping you in the know.
Wow. You ready for this?
And the winner
is introducing. Listen to the sound. Feel the sound. What the heck? Smell the sound. That's not bad.
Mainland 98.3 FM, the sound of Lagos.
All right, thank you for standing by. Once again, my name is 𝗪𝗪, and this is the Mainland Business Cafe on 98.3 Mainland FM, the sound of Lagos. Mr. Jonathan, thank you for standing by and joining us.
Yeah, real. I'm with you.
All right, thank you very much. Okay, yes. So in addendum to what you were talking about concerning the relationship with, asked by my correspondent, my colleague, concerning the relationship between coin, that's Bitcoin, crypto, and the Nigerian Stock Exchange. I want to ask: is it because the crypto is not tangible, the currency is not tangible, as opposed to the NGX? Could that be another reason?
Well, you realize that even shareholding or investing in intangible. Yeah, it's intangible too.
Oh, okay.
But the thing is that the federal government of Nigeria has not accepted this.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it's not.
Okay.
From what people have shown in the way they make money, it's actually something that the NGS is supposed to work on.
Okay.
But if it has not been approved,
okay,
I don't think anybody should go into it because your money is very important to you and you don't want to lose them.
Beautiful. Yes, I thank you very much, Mr. Jonathan. Okay, so at this point, maybe we can ask, we can open the phone line 0913-600-0410 for telephone conversations. If you'd like to ask Mr. Jonathan OKOEKEPEN questions concerning the theme for this morning, which is claiming dividends from the trading floors of the Nigerian exchange. And if you have any other question that relates to the theme, then you can ask. The phone lines are open 0913-600-0410 for telephone conversations, and then for text or WhatsApp messages 0913-600-0430. We're currently streaming live on Facebook and YouTube respectively at Mainland 98.3 FM. Please do well to like and follow, and then do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, moving on, sir. While we wait for telephone conversations or calls, I'd just like to go over to our second question. But before I do that, Kelvin, do you have any other question for Mr. Jonathan?
No, I'm okay.
Okay, in the course of the program. Okay,
yeah.
Thank you very much. Okay, so sir, this is the ultimate question, and I know that a lot of our listeners are waiting for this particular answer to this question. So the question says, how can we claim the dividends from publicly traded stocks and shares?
Okay.
Yes.
Number one is it is one of the benefits of trading in the stock exchange.
Okay.
Your dividend payout is one of the benefits, and it's usually sweet when the news come out that you are taking dividend.
Okay.
So for people who are invested in the stock exchange and they don't claim their dividend, number one thing to know is who is the registrar of that company.
Okay.
Who is the registrar?
Okay.
And Google is a friend in answering this question.
Okay.
Say for instance, you have shares in GT Bank. Just go to Google, registrar for GT Bank.
Okay.
If you bring that, once you bring that details, what you do is Dataman is actually the registrar for GT Bank.
Okay.
Once you give the results, click on the first page, on the first result on the page.
Okay.
When you click it will take you to in-mandate form.
Okay.
For Dataman.
Okay.
Then you download the in-mandate form. The in-mandate form will show you all the list of companies under the registrar called Dataman.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Then you fill out all the information on the form.
Okay.
And thank God for technology, thank God for internet. You don't need to visit any registrar again.
Yes, exactly.
At the click of the button on your phone, fill the form, scan it, send it to the bottom of the form, of the in-mandate form. When it is in the next 48 or 1 week, they will respond to you.
Okay.
Between 48 hours and 1 week, they will respond to you. Once they respond to you, if you have any unclaimed dividend, you will get everything. Even if from the first day that GT Bank was listed on the stock exchange, you will not receive dividend.
Okay.
Since then, any outstanding dividend will be paid to you because stakeholders
Alright.
pay out dividend. Mr. Ray, do you know that after the end of 2020,
okay,
unclaimed dividend in Nigeria is 170 billion.
170 billion naira.
170 billion naira.
Wow.
Some of the companies on the floor of the stock exchange don't have this as their market cap. They don't have this amount.
Okay, the market cap. Okay, beautiful. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Some of the companies.
Beautiful. Okay, sir. So very amounts to that for this particular, for last Friday's trading summary, 35.4 trillion naira.
No, not first. higher postal services.
Okay.
But with the act of the company that invested in, and they told them that they won't be able to get this our dividend via in-mandate.
Okay.
But if you have not done this, you cannot get a dividend. Yes, you will get the alert. Really. Like, say for instance now, on Friday, MTN pay their dividends.
Okay.
So it has nothing to do with the market cap.
Okay, it has nothing to do.
If families are not aware, instead of the stock market company, see anybody's name there that you know, come down there, you got doing you tell that body dividend.
Okay, beautiful. Thank you very much. That was very, very, very extensive. We really appreciate that. Okay, so our correspondent Kelvin Nwafili has a question for you concerning this particular theme. Okay, over to you, Kelvin.
Thank you, Mr. Jonathan. For so many persons who want to delve into the Nigerian Stock Exchange, for starters, if we may call it so, what are the guidelines? What are the doctrines in terms of delving into this that keeps them in a safe zone? How do they go about it, Mr. Jonathan?
All right, I think this is the question I get almost all the time. If you are new, if you are new in the stock market, I don't know where this idea came from. When I joined the stock market, when I started investing in the stock market in 2007. Okay. I decided not to buy into any company that was trading at over 10 naira.
Okay, over 10 naira per share, right?
Per share.
Okay.
Any company whose per share is more than 10 naira, I don't invest in them. Because I was learning. I entered into the stock market with no idea. I just wanted to that I'm part of the owner of the company then. So that's why I joined the stock market, not knowing the actual benefit of it.
Okay.
So one of the guidelines I will give to them is to not overexpose their money to high stock market.
High stock market.
Companies that are very high. Because just imagine you are just joining the stock market. You want to go and be buying the stock of 𝗪𝗀𝗁 that is selling over 1,000 per share.
Okay.
The stock of 𝗪𝗵𝗲 that is selling about 1,005 now. You know, those are not the places you should start, because once there is a market downturn, that's when people begin to shout that they lost money. But if you start with the penny stock, what they call the penny stock, you are sure that whatever you invest in it, even if there is a loss, it will be minimal.
Okay.
And one of the guidelines I will give to them is, no matter the downturn of the market, don't live in panic. That is what happened in 2008. Where everybody started selling off. And when everybody wants their money at all times, the market will crash. Take for instance, if all of us feel that GT Bank is almost safe to save money to, and all of us, the customer, maybe like 90% of us, go to GT Bank today and say we want to collect our money, GT Bank will crash because they don't have that money to pay everybody.
Okay.
So also is the same with the stock market. Don't ever be panic. Don't panic whether it's upturn or up market or down market. Don't panic.
Okay.
The thing is, the rest assured is that.
Hello, sir.
Again.
Okay.
The only place they can go is up. And there are. It's just that I don't have my laptop here. I will have given you companies that. As of December last year, they were trading at less than 20 kobo. As you speak now, most of them are trading at over 1 naira.
1 naira, okay.
So, if you see the fundamentals of this company, and you know that this company are doing well, and you have checked their books, no matter the price, go and invest. But don't go for a stock market that are above 10 naira. And if you see some of the companies that were trading at 10 naira, most of them now they've jumped to 40 naira, they've jumped to over 50 naira. Case in point is MSR, NAPCON, and Dangote Sugar.
Okay.
Yes, these companies are really doing well now, and the people who have money in that stock now, they are smiling to the bank.
Those are my
guidelines. Don't panic and don't overexpose your investment to high stock
iStock. Okay, iStock companies. Okay, thank you very much. Kelvin, does that suffice? Okay,
yes.
Very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Jonathan. Okay, so I think we have a couple of calls. 0913-600-0410, 0913-600-0410. I can see that Mr. Gabriel was trying to call before. So while wait for Mr. Gabriel's call or any of our other avid listener, I just have a question concerning the payment of dividends. Okay, so Mr. Jonathan, could you please tell us how are these dividends paid? Are they paid daily, weekly, monthly, or annually?
Now, hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Please go on.
Yeah. I said depending on this company.
Okay.
Because you're invested in a company, when a company make a profit within a year, dividend is declared.
Okay.
So when dividend is declared, you are expected to get your own. So
okay.
By default, when I say default or statutorily, the company is going to pay you dividends. It's supposed to be once a year.
Okay.
The company that pay
twice. Okay.
Yes.
Annually.
So the company, yes.
Okay.
Two companies pay twice, and so far I think it's only 𝗧𝗪𝗏 that pays quarterly.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Only 𝗧𝗪𝗏 pay quarterly. They pay quarterly, and 𝗧𝗪𝗏 you can actually get your dividend in dollars in 𝗧𝗪𝗏. Actually, there are 3 companies you can get your dividend in dollars.
Okay.
Which is 𝗧𝗪𝗏, EcoBank, and Airtel.
Okay.
So you can invest in these companies in naira and get your dividend in dollars. So that's why they so because they are declaring profit.
Okay.
It is expected of the company to give us dividend, and when they are saying they are declaring profit, it's per annum.
Okay.
It's per annum. So they declare the profit. Yes. So they declare the profit over the income or the what is it called now? The profits that come into the year.
Okay.
So that's why they now decide how much they are going to pay to customer, depending on per capita
income. Yes. Okay.
Yes, of each of the unit of shares
being sold. So, okay.
Yes. Then there are some companies that don't pay dividends regularly.
Okay.
And it is because they barely exist. They are just surviving.
Okay.
So they are surviving. So if they make any profits, what they do is they put it back into the company.
Okay.
At that point, they don't declare dividend. And there are some big company too who does that. Rather than giving dividends, they put to the shareholder that they put the money back into the company so that the company remains a going concern.
Okay.
Then in the near future, when they're making big profit, then they cannot share dividends to company. So, effectively, once in a year, they're actually supposed to get a dividend.
Okay, once a year. Thank you very much, Mr. Jonathan. Okay, so 0913-600-0410. Okay, please note that if you're trying to call the other studio line, it's strictly meant for text and WhatsApp messages. Okay, so I can see a couple of people are trying to call the other line. 0913-600-0410 for telephone conversations. If you would like to have a conversation or engage in an intellectual discourse with the NGX expert, Mr. Jonathan, then please call that number. Then direct all messages, either WhatsApp or text messages, to 0913-600-0430. We're also streaming live on Facebook and YouTube respectively. You can drop your comments there as well. Then please share the link with your loved ones and every other one. Just as Mr. Jonathan has said, please intimate your family members, because some people have had their parents, grandparents, uncles, aunties who have bought stocks in the stock exchange, and maybe they've passed away, and or recently deceased, and they are not aware that there are some money still hanging there. But let's quickly take this call. Hello. Okay, we seem to have lost that call. 0913-600-0410 is the number. Okay, Mr. Jonathan, thank you very much. Okay, you still have another question?
Yes, I do.
Okay, all right, Mr. Kelvin, over to you.
All right, Mr. Jonathan, for Nigerian stock exchange, I correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's a long-term investment, and for some persons who are looking out for a short-term investment, does a Nigerian stock exchange have a space for this?
Okay, if I get you right, you are talking about investing in the short term.
Come again?
In the short,
short term.
Okay,
yes, short term.
Can you believe it? Like how short is the short term? So that no one point of
time. Yes, exactly. The tenure.
Say 2 years. 2 years.
2 years is not too short. I was thinking maybe you are talking about maybe 6 months, 3 months or thereabouts. 2 years is actually is not a short term to invest in the stock market. If you know what you are doing in the stock market, within 2 years you can make a great deal, depending on your company selection.
Okay.
But if you are talking about the short term, there are some companies you can invest in too, and then the investment should be regular and consistent.
Okay.
The reason why I say regular and consistent is you must be able to monitor the stock market and know when to put in more money and when not to put it. And this is going to give you a great work for whoever wants to invest for the first time. We usually don't advise people to invest money for the short term. It's actually for the long term. But if you are doing short term, I will advise you to go into the bond market 𝗪𝗪𝗂𝗪. 𝗪𝗪𝗂𝗪 for next day, you can actually claim whatever it is your profit, depending on what the company is offering. With 𝗪𝗪𝗂𝗪. Then for
hello.
Okay.
Yes, we can hear you.
Hello?
Yes. Okay.
Yes, the minimum for bond is 1 year, 2 years, and the interest is fixed. Bond is actually you borrowing the federal government's money, and this money is backed by some regulators and investors.
Okay.
In the sense that you won't lose your money. So these are safe haven investments. Once you invest in stock market for just 2 years, it should be minimum of 3 years to 5 years. That's minimum.
Okay.
The reason I'm saying so is that I started investing personally in the stock market in 2007.
Okay.
And I didn't take my first profit apart from dividend until 2018.
2018. Wow. Okay.
2007, 2018. Why? Because I was actually building foundation for myself.
Okay.
I was not there for quick money. If you don't go into stock market because you burn your fingers. Don't go to the stock market for quick money.
Yeah.
Because it's not a gambling.
Yes.
It's not a Ponzi scheme.
Exactly. It's not a Ponzi scheme. Exactly.
Yes. So if you need quick money, it's not for stock market.
Okay.
You are investing for minimum of 3 years to 5 years. That should be your minimum.
Okay.
But if you are doing less than that, go to the treasury bill, go to the bond market.
Okay.
Down, you can do that for the short term. But for stock market, think long term.
Yes, long term. Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Jonathan. Okay, 0913-600-0410. Let's quickly take this call and yes, please. Hello, good morning. Yes, good morning. Hello, good morning. You may kindly turn down the volume of your radio for audibility, please. Hello. Okay, we seem to have lost that call. Mr. Jonathan, are you still with us, please?
Yes, I'm still with you.
Okay, we seem to have lost that call. I think, okay, let's quickly take this one. Yes, this is the call we've been expecting. Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Gabriel, good morning, sir.
Yes, I'm Mr. Gabriel, Citizen Gabriel.
Yes, okay, good morning, sir.
There's a question I want to ask.
Okay, before you ask your question, Mr. Gabriel, please, may we know where you're calling from?
I'm calling from Olowora.
Okay, all right, please go ahead.
Olowora, yes. I bought shares, that was in the 80s. It's an insurance shares.
Okay.
So after the shuffling and the selling and the buying, as of today, I've tried many places to know where my shares are. I bought shares of 𝗪𝗪𝗂𝗪 assurance.
Okay.
So as of today now, I don't know where, and I have not received any letter, I have not received any dividend. I don't know where the insurance that bought 𝗪𝗪𝗂𝗪.
Mr. Gabriel, so do you have a stockbroker?
I don't have.
You don't have. So in answering your question, the first thing you need to do is to add the stockbroking firm.
Okay.
That you are registered with. Whatever documents you have with you, and that you can use to state that you actually bought in any company, that is if the company has not exited the stock market. you need to provide it to the stockbroker. They know where your investment is, but you can't track it or trace it without a stockbroker firm. You need a stockbroker to help you track this thing. Then give them all documents you have that they can work with. Once they can work with it and the company is still in existence, all your claim dividends bonus fees that they declared since the year you are bought it, you will get them. If the company is still alive, your holdings to the company is one less, your unclaimed dividend is one less, it's still there, but you need a stockbroker to help you save them.
Okay. All right, so Mr. Gabriel, I hope that was well taken. Okay, we see he seems to have left the conversation. All right, thank you very much, Mr. Jonathan. This is one of the most interesting topics that we have been looking forward to. Please hold on, sir. Let's quickly take this call. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. May we know your name and where you're calling from, please?
Yeah, my name is 𝗪𝗵𝘁𝘀𝗪.
Okay.
I'm calling from the Dividend area. Yes, Mr. Jonathan, good morning.
Okay, please ask your question.
Yeah, my question is some time ago, how much money with bank card, I got the 𝗃𝗏𝗃, I got budget was in 2002.
Okay.
I will not having movement and lots of my documents, but I don't have those papers. Is there any way I can still get to the company? These are not the companies I bought it from to get those dividend tax. That's my question.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Emmanuel. Okay, over to you, Mr. Jonathan.
Well, the question was not too clear, but on the literature ahead,
okay.
So the dad bought some shares some years ago.
Yes.
And I have a stock broker.
Okay.
You need to get one.
Get one. Okay.
And I don't know if I can teach any stock broker on this line. But
okay.
If you don't have any stock broker, go and get one. Whatever documents you feel you have lost, explain it to the stock broker.
Okay.
There's a way they can There's a way they can search your name.
Search your name, okay.
On the state website.
Okay.
There's a place they can search your name. If you remember the full name you use in buying the shares, then
shares, okay.
They will start you and they will check if anything still exists on that name.
Okay.
And if there's anything that still exists on that name, the stockbroker will help you trace it. And now stockbrokers are going into Facebook with you.
Okay.
Now, even if you don't have anything that they can trace, if you go to the product arm of the stockbroking firm,
okay,
they will help you do everything. In as much as you can prove that you are the owner, you have documents, maybe a valid ID card,
okay,
and international passport. That
Mr. Jonathan, the conversation never stops because it is very, very interesting. I believe that a lot of our listeners have been waiting for this very day, but I'm afraid that we may not be able to take any more calls because we're actually pressed for time. However, Mr. Jonathan will bring you up next Monday and you will still intimate us on the trading summary of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, okay?
All right.
Thank you for your time. Thank you for time. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Bye for now. All right. All right. Mainland FM, the sound of Lagos, and this is Mainland Business Cafe.
You're listening to Mainland 98.3 FM. The sound of Lagos.
All right, thank you for standing by. This is 11:57 p.m. But before we wrap things up on the program, we have from one of our correspondents.
To the impact of the international currency rates to naira, I'd like to talk about the naira performances across various currencies. Dollar to naira rate for the past 7 days, it was bought for on the 27th actually.
Yes,
so August 20th, 2023, it was bought for 890 and sold for 880. And for August 21, 2023, it was bought for 910 and sold for 883 naira. For August 22, 2023, it was bought for 910, like I said, and sold for 883 naira. For August 23, 2023, it was bought for 902 and sold for 878 naira.
Okay.
For August 24, 2023, it was bought for 905 and sold for 890. For August 26, 2023, it was bought for 915 and sold for 900. And of course, for August 27, 2023, it was bought for 915 and sold for 900. Now, for the euro naira black market, it was stable. It was bought for 982 and sold for 965 naira.
All right, thank you very much, Kelvin. This is where we draw the curtains on this morning's program. However, we'll still update our Facebook pages with this relevant information, hopefully, and then you can still drop your comments because we're still streaming live on Facebook and YouTube, respectively. Once again, this is Mainland Business Cafe. Coming up next is the global news at 12. Please stay with us.
Market and really stand out. It's here.
Mainland 98.3 FM, the sound of Lagos.
This is the global news on 98.3 Mainland FM.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the global news on Mainland FM. In the highlight, President Tinubu calls for change of mindset of governance. Senate unfolds agenda